welcome. This is Stardust LV. Hope you guys are well. And today we're going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. And this is a very popular bag. I was looking for this since it came out last November, I think, but I wasn't able to get hold of it until I was able to talk to my close friend here in YouTube. Her name is Chanel LV. Please check out her channel. She has the most amazing Chanel and Louis Vuitton collection. And she was on waitlist on this bag. However, she already have it. So she told me if I'm interested, and I said I am. So she bought this for me and I paid her back. The waitlist order cannot be transferred. And I'm so glad that she is so kind to get this for me. And now here it is, guys. I'm so excited that I was able to open it when I first saw it. So now this is like kind of reveal, but we'll unbox it together so you'll be able to see what it is. And this is none other than the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. And this is just so beautiful, guys. I really love it. It's practical, it looks pretty, and it goes well with any outfit. And it came with this lock, and inside it has this keys, which I'm going to remove the lock. So it has two keys, and let's remove this. So here is the lock, and at the back it looks like this. And then the strap looks like this, guys. It's very pretty. Some will say that this looks tacky, but I really like it. It came with this black, and it also has the fuchsia collar strap, but I love this black better. And I'm so glad that I got this one in this color, as I am just so desperate to get this bag. I even don't mind if I'll get the fuchsia color, but I guess it's meant for me to have this black strap, and it looks like this at the edges. The strap is kind of short for me, but it's doable. And let's look inside the bag. This is the barcode, and this is the made in USA. We will not be able to see where it's made inside, and there's no serial number. But I think if it's made in France, you'll be able to see here made in France. This one is made in USA. That's why there's no stamp made in France there. And this is the price. So my good friend Chanel LV shipped this bag to me from her state, and I just paid her back with a shipment. And this is $1,890 US. With sales tax, I paid $2,066 US with 28 cents. So this is the receipt, guys, and I'll just put it back in here. So this is a little pricey than the other Speedy handbag, but this is what I've noticed in this bag. But before that, let's just run through what it looks like. So this is the side, this is the back with the inverted LV logo, as this is in one-piece canvas, and this is the other side. So I already sprayed this with Colonial water stop. It's like waterproof spray. I noticed in this bag that this is thicker in here at the side. Look at this leather. In other Speedy bandolier handbags, you can see that this has like a piece of leather in here. However, in this Speedy 20, they attach this D-ring in this little piece of leather. However, it's thicker. And also you can see that this is more structured than the other Speedy handbags, as it is lined with this red lining, and it's like you can see that you can like remove this red lining away from the canvas itself. Like, see, it's not in one piece, so it is really nice and thick. So it adds a structure on this bag that you don't even have to put an organizer inside. But you know, it's nice to have an organizer, but this one has a little structure that it's okay. You can see that here, this is my Nano Speedy, and inside has this like just the canvas with no lining. Here, let's remove this organizer. So see this, like it already lost the structure. One has no lining, like you can see the thin canvas in here. So that is what I'm talking about, guys, that this has more structure to it, and I love that they added that feature. You can really like see the difference in what you pay for. So this is just the right size, nice size handbag for your essentials. I really love this classic style and classic pattern on this 20, and with this trendy canvas, you can never go wrong with it. You can also attach this to your any monogram canvas Louis Vuitton handbags, which is good as it goes together. And let's measure the bag, guys. So this is like 8 inches across, and then the height is 6 inches, and this one is like 3 and 1/4 tall, and the strap like 19 inches. So we're also gonna do a mud shot at the end, guys, so you're gonna see how it is on me. I am 5'4". I think this is really a good buy and a practical bag. If you're gonna ask me, that's why I got this. Currently I'm using this multi-pochette, which I love, and let's see if the stuff that I have in here will gonna fit inside this Speedy 20. So I have this recto verso wallet, and then in the, like, I put the recto verso wallet in this small mini pochette, and then at the back I have this Chanel sunglasses, which is my favorite, and it's very thick. That's the Chanel logo here at the back. And let's put it inside the Speedy 20. And then I have this Dior eyeglasses. Let's put it in here. And this is the case of my iPhone 12. And I have this hand sanitizer and this YSL lipstick, and it's all put in here, and it all fits. And there's still more space in here, guys. So as you can see, it all fits inside, and let's still put a lot of stuff inside. So we're gonna see the capacity of the bag. And I have this Chanel mini oak case, which we're gonna put in. And let's still try to put more stuff inside. Let's say we're gonna put these SLGs that I have. So I have this Chanel card holder, YSL card holder, and this Hermes Bastia, and let's all put it in here. And there's still space, guys. I have this 2 hand sanitizer, which we're gonna try to put in, and I think that's it. So here, let's close it. I also love the zipper that it goes all the way in here. See? So the other Speedy handbags, the zipper is only on the top. Here they put like another extension here at each side, and this is it. I just noticed that sometimes like this will caught in here at the side, the zipper, so you just have to just wiggle it out. And let's gonna see how many SLGs have fit inside this bag. So these are all the SLGs, and then for the other stuff that I put in, I have this 2 sunglasses, this cell phone, and then this 3 hand sanitizer, which are not thin, it's bulky, and it all fits inside, and this YSL lipstick. So here, guys, 1 sunglasses, 1 eyeglasses, a cell phone, and all of this stuff. And also this SLGs. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 SLGs fit inside. And you can see that this is really a spacious, functional handbag, and I really love it. Let me know what your thoughts on this, guys. I'm so happy that I was able to secure this beautiful handbag. And let's do a mud shot. And again, please do like this video if you like this, and hope to see you all again in my next video. Let's go ahead and do the mud shot.